Hey, imagine this: a handheld console, dual touchscreens, open source, and powered by the Raspberry Pi Compute Module 5. Sounds wild, right? That's the DSpi, and honestly, it's one of the coolest DIY projects I've seen in ages. So what is the DSpi? Think of it as a modern remix of the classic Nintendo DS, but with serious Linux power under the hood. It's got two 480p touchscreens in a clamshell design, an Xbox-style controller layout with dual analog sticks, and a 5000 mAh battery, so you can game on the go for hours. The stereo speakers and dedicated headphone amp mean your audio is top tier. And the whole thing is powered by the beastly CM5 module. That's a 2.4 GHz quad-core chip, just for reference. Here's the twist: it's not for sale. The DSpi is open source and experimental. The creator, Bopendi, shared everything on GitHub: the motherboards, the 3D printable case, you name it. If you want one, you'll have to build it yourself. This is pure maker territory. The DSpi stands out because it nails DS emulation with its dual screens, something most handheld PI devices just can't do. And thanks to Linux, you're free to customize, emulate, and tinker however you like. If you're a hardcore emulation fan or a Raspberry Pi enthusiast with some DIY chops, this project deserves a spot on your radar. Want to check out the details or maybe build your own? Head to the GitHub link in the description. Who knows, you might just create your own portable dual-screen Linux gaming beast.